In this video, I'm going to discuss the most frequently asked questions about chapter number 6 of MDCAT past paper biology, that is about reproduction. This video is very useful for all medical students, लिहाजा आपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. A type of cell in human testes which produces testosterone is called interstitial cells, germ cells, Sertoli cells, spermatocytes. So correct answer is option A. Interstitial cells are Leydig cells which are present in testes. They produces testosterone hormone. Question number 2. The breakdown of endometrium during menstruation is due to increase in level of LH, decrease in level of progesterone, increase in level of progesterone, increase in level of estrogen. So correct answer is option B. The breakdown of endometrium during menstruation is because of the decrease in level of progesterone. Progesterone is a hormone which maintains pregnancy, but when there is no pregnancy, then the level of progesterone in the blood decreases. As a result, menstruation occurs. Question number 3. Oogonia are produced in germ cells, both uterus and cervix. In cervix only, in uterus only, in ovaries. So correct answer is option D. Oogonia are produced in germ cells which are present in ovary. Question number 4. Luteinizing hormone trigger which process? Cessation of oogenesis, breakdown of oocyte, stimulate ovulation. It also triggers development of zygote. So correct answer is option C. Luteinizing hormone stimulates the process of ovulation or release of egg from the ovary. Question number 5. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease which is caused by HIV or AIDS, Pseudomonas, Treponema pallidum, Neisseria. So correct answer is option C. Treponema pallidum is a bacteria which causes sexually transmitted disease known as syphilis. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और इसके अलावा अगर आपको MDCAT बायोलॉजी के बाकी चैप्टर्स पर MCQs की वीडियोस चाहिए तो अभी इस चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट को विज़िट करें जिसका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Discharge of ovum or secondary oocyte from the ovary or from the Graafian follicle is called fertilization, pollination, follicle formation, ovulation. So correct answer is option D. The discharge of ovum or secondary oocyte from the ovary or Graafian follicle is known as ovulation. Question number 8. Second meiotic division in the secondary oocyte proceeds as far as metaphase, prophase, anaphase, telophase. So correct answer is option A. The second meiotic division that is takes place in secondary oocyte, it remains arrested at metaphase 2 stage. So correct answer is option A. Question 9. Which one of the following differentiates directly into mature sperm? Primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatogonia, spermatid. So correct answer is option D. Spermatid are directly differentiates into the mature sperm. Question number 10. Uterus open into the vagina through cervix, fallopian tube, external genitalia, vulva. So correct answer is option A. Cervix is the opening that is present between the uterus and vagina. So uterus opens into the vagina by means of cervix. Question number 11. Spermatogonia differentiates directly into primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatozoa, spermatid. So correct answer is option A. Spermatogonia, which are diploid in nature, they directly differentiate into the diploid cell, which is primary spermatocytes, by the process of mitosis. Question number 12. Treponema pallidum causes AIDS, genital herpes, syphilis, gonorrhea. So correct answer is option C. Treponema pallidum causes syphilis disease. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. What is the location of interstitial cells in the testis? Inside the seminiferous tubules. They are present between the seminiferous tubules. They are present among the germinal epithelial cells. They are present around the testis. So correct answer is option B. The location of interstitial cells in testis is between the seminiferous tubules. Interstitial cells are also known as Leydig cells, and they produce male sex hormone testosterone. Question number 14. Leydig cell is the alternative name of germ cells, Sertoli cells, interstitial cells, spermatocytes. So correct answer is option A. Leydig cell is the alternative name of interstitial cells. Question number 15. The hormone produced from the corpus luteum is prolactin, FSH, progesterone, LH. So correct answer is option C. Progesterone is the hormone that is produced from the corpus luteum. Progesterone is a hormone that maintains the pregnancy. Question number 16. Fast arrest occurs in oocyte during anaphase 1, prophase 1, metaphase 1, metaphase 2. So correct answer is option B. The fast arrest occurs in oocyte during prophase 1. Question number 17. The oocyte released during ovulation is in which stage? Anaphase 1, prophase 1, metaphase 1, metaphase 2. So correct answer is option D. The oocyte that is released during ovulation process is released at the stage of metaphase 2 because it is arrested at metaphase 2 stage. Question number 18. Yellowish glandular structure formed after the release of egg from the follicle is called corpus callosum, Graafian follicle, corpus luteum, follicle atresia. So correct answer is option C. The yellowish glandular structure that is formed when there is release of egg from the follicle is known as corpus luteum. Corpus luteum acts as an endocrine structure and it produces progesterone hormone which maintains the pregnancy. Question number 19. On puberty, the development of primary follicle is stimulated by ICSH, FSH, LH, estrogen. So correct answer is option B. FSH is the hormone that is on puberty stimulates the development of primary follicle because FSH is an important stimulator of folliculogenesis. Question number 20. The causative agent of sexually transmitted disease that affect the mucous membrane of the urogenital tract is Staphylococcus aureus, Treponema pallidum, Neisseria gonorrhea, Escherichia coli. So correct answer is option C. Neisseria gonorrhea is a causative agent of a sexually transmitted disease that can affect the mucous membrane of urogenital tract. Question number 21. In human testes, which structure is responsible for carrying sperm from inside the testis? Is seminiferous tubule, urogenital duct, seminal vesicle, vas efferentia? So correct answer is option D. Vas efferentia is a structure that is responsible for carrying the sperm from inside the testis into the epididymis. Question number 22. In which part of the female reproductive system fertilization takes place? In proximal part of oviduct, in uterus, takes place in placenta, takes place in vagina. So correct answer is option A. In female reproductive system, the fertilization took place in the proximal part of oviduct, which is also known as ampullae. Question 23. In female, FSH stimulates the ovary to produce progesterone, lectin, estrogen, oxytocin. So correct answer is option C. In case of female, FSH stimulates the ovary to produce the estrogen hormone. Question number 24. Accessory reproductive gland in male mammals is prostate gland, inguinal gland, gastric gland, pineal gland. So correct answer is option A. Prostate gland is an accessory reproductive gland in male mammals. Question 25. During menstrual cycle, endometrium prepares for the implantation of embryo in proliferative phase, menstrual phase, secretory phase, ovulation phase. So correct answer is option C. During menstrual cycle, endometrium prepares for the implantation of embryo during secretory phase. Question 26. Events of menstrual cycle are regulated by ethylene, gonadotropins, auxins, gibberellins. So correct answer is option B. Gonadotropin hormones the controls the events of menstrual cycle. Question number 27. Decrease of FSH and increase of estrogen causes pituitary gland to secrete somatotropin, luteinizing hormone, testosterone, spermatogonium. So correct answer is option B. Decrease in level of FSH and increase in level of estrogen causes the release of luteinizing hormone from anterior pituitary. Question number 28. The transmission of Neisseria gonorrhea is best described by one of the following: orophycal route of contamination, unsafe sex, vector-borne, droplet infection. So correct answer is option A. The transmission of Neisseria gonorrhea is best described by the oral fecal route. Question number 29. AIDS is caused by bacteria, virus, fungi, algae. So correct answer is option B. AIDS is caused by a virus that is known as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.